can't tell me nothing now my hair is done. Please. It's not the cutest thing ever. Hey girl, so we back. You see me. As I was saying, yeah, we back. We just got back last night. We got back at a decent time. The sun wasn't down yet. So today I'm just going to reset everything. I do need to go to the store because I need to get some stuff for dinner tonight for sure. And just, you know, restock. Hopefully today I have enough time to clean out the refrigerator. And yeah, that's about it. Just relax and reset and get ready to start.
Turned on.
Right now I am editing the road trip vacation vlog back home, and I'm liking how it's turning out. I'm proud of me. I really did my thing. That's why we talking right now, because I was like, wow, I can keep this momentum going. So yeah, that's what I'm on. I hope this is not blurry because I did not wipe my lens off, girl. I'm not gonna touch it. So.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from the listening. I know it, I wasted listening on you, baby, you don't care.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know,
Yeah.
I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind,
But
my
not
body.
they coming up with a deal with situations, right?
My body says
Zara. I got this bag a couple weeks ago, and then Zara had their sale, so I returned it and got it for the sale price. And it's sold out now. I just checked last night. I didn't expect it to come so soon, but it's sold out now, so I'm glad I got it when I got it. I love it. I love it. I love these bags so much. It's just a little beaded handbag. Oh my gosh, this bag is so freaking cute. Is this not the cutest thing ever? I love it. I love accessories. Yeah, it was originally $69.90, but I got it for like $34, something like that. So yeah, had to get that price difference, but I'm so glad I got it because this is so cute to me. I love it. And they have it in white too, but it ain't no sale. It's just so stinking cute.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's.
Ooh. So I just got finished retwisting my hair. It looks good. I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all know I don't like it too tight, but just enough. Look, it's doing what it needs to do. Okay. Yeah. So I do still need to get some dry time, but and my forehead is shiny. I do need some dry time, but she done. I just got these big chunky twists and braids to keep them secure. It's 5 total. I lost a nail in the process. Watch that video if you haven't already. It should be up. It should be up before this come out, if I'm being good, and I plan on being good because I've been doing good. I took this salmon out to cook for dinner, but I didn't want to cook it inside, so I kind of want to start the grill, but I kind of don't. I don't know, but I think we're gonna have salmon. I went to Trader Joe's and I got these Brussels sprouts. I kind of want to try those, maybe those and the salmon and like some rice. I do have some potatoes, so I can make some like mashed potatoes. I don't know, but that's what I'm on right now, girl. It's dinner. You can't tell me nothing now my hair is done. You can't tell me nothing. Please. And I'll have to work tomorrow. Okay. Y'all, I realized the lighting might be horrible. And I might even be cut off right now, but look, it is less than 24 hours. This one came off when I was getting a plate out of the cabinet, and 2 other ones I popped off myself, but oh, what am I doing wrong? Anyway, I'm gonna redo them because it's still cheaper than getting a full set. I'm about to sit under my dryer and fold clothes just to get some extra dry time in. I'm still pretty damp for sure, but the retwist turned out so good. I want to start keeping, or I said I was gonna start keeping my hair done, but I know I don't mean it. But I don't know, I feel like now that my hair is longer, it's, I don't know, I'm just like in a weird in-between stage where I'm relearning my hair because it's changed since I've had kids, but also just the length has changed, so it's just different things about it that I gotta relearn or learn for the first time. So yeah, but just with this length, in my opinion, I've always been a no retwist girl, but with my hair long like this, I feel like I have to retwist. Like, hold on. So uncomfortable. And I'm so mad I lost my wig there. I think I left it in Virginia right next to my water bottle. But yeah, anyway, I feel like with this length, I have to keep it done or it just looks a mess. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Still trying to find ways to look cute without having to put in work, but still less work than having loose natural hair or just loose hair at all. So, can't complain too much. But anyway, I'm about to do this real quick and fold this laundry. Which one you want to take your food tomorrow? Oh my gosh, I just recorded a whole and I don't like it. Like, I'm still trying to get used to how I position myself so it looks the best. Anyway, I believe I was saying I'm getting ready to make some breakfast. I was gonna stop at Starbucks, but I talked myself out of it. Go me. I'm about to make me some breakfast. Got this bread from Trader Joe's yesterday, some multigrain bread. Got this jam and these dates. But I got this jam. My new Trader Joe's bag, because all my other bags are like 10 years old at this point. Had them so long. I have been shopping at Trader Joe's for a long time. So, and the last thing I wanted to show y'all what I was talking about was this turkey bacon. And I was talking about how I previewed this book that I'm getting ready to read. It's about eating for your blood type. And well, turkey is one of the things that's on the list that is I'm not supposed to eat for my blood type specifically, but pork is as well. And I think pork is a little bit worse than turkey in my opinion. Look, I'm not the health police, but anyway, so I'm gonna try to make better health choices, and I'm gonna try this turkey bacon just like I tried them dates. Worst case scenario, I don't like it and I don't have to eat it again, but I'm trying to make better decisions for myself, for my body, for my health, and you know, so my kids can see what I'm doing and want to mirror that. What else was I saying? I might have to go to the store today, might not. I was saying some other stuff, but I don't want to talk about that no more. Alright, so I'm done cooking. That was so quick. The turkey bacon, I had to get it crisp because I like my bacon crisp anyway. So, and I forgot to tell y'all that I had got the crunchy chili onion stuff from Trader Joe's. So I'm about to try that on my egg. I made a fried egg. And I'm not a big fan of eggs anymore, but you know, I need some protein. Okay, first I'm gonna try the turkey bacon. It was smelling like collard greens or something when I was cooking. I was like, what in the world? Okay. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Let me try the eggs. I'm not mad, y'all. I'm not mad at this at all. Hey, this chili crunch kind of go. I'm not mad. Wow. Okay then.
This ring here represents my